Today we're going to talk about some of the basic features of using Google Forms. The first thing you want to do is get to Google Forms by clicking on the Google Apps and going down to Forms. Like many of the Google apps, there's a template gallery located at the top where you can choose pre-made templates for various forms. For today's video, I'm going to make a blank one. Once you make a blank form, you can title your form whatever you want. You can also include a description. This just simply tells about your form. Then you can add your questions. So this is my first question. It's multiple choice, which is the default when you add a question. Now, let's say I want to add another question. I'm going to click the little add button, and I don't want this one multiple choice. I can click here and there are many options. I can make a short answer, which is where the user types in a small answer. I can add in a longer one, which would be considered a paragraph answer. Lots of options there. I can also customize my questions by adding in a photo of something, and I can click on the photo icon. I can upload from my computer, use my camera, access my Google Drive. There's many things I can choose to do if I want to add a photo to my question. I can also duplicate my question by clicking this little copy icon. This makes a copy of my question, and I can do that as many times as I'd like. I can also click the little delete icon beside it to delete questions. And I can make a question required by clicking this button here. This means that the user will have to answer that question. Once I'm finished with my questions, I can go up to the top. There's some options here to customize my theme, to preview what my form would look like to someone else. So this is what my form would look like if I was to share this. I can also share it by clicking the send button. Once I've clicked the send button, I have different options. I can include emails to share it, and I can even leave a message that will show up when I share this with someone. I can also click the link here to copy the link directly to share this form. Once people have filled out my Google form, I can click responses, and I can see the different responses that people have made. And like all Google items, everything that you have is saved in your drive. Thank you.